Hi friends, now I'm going to tell you about the Bernoulli's equation. How to solve the function by using Bernoulli's equation or Bernoulli's rule. So now I'm going to tell you. So we all are known that if two functions are added, if suppose integration of x plus sin x of dx is there, this function we are going to integrate by separating them. That means integration of x dx plus integration of sin x dx. By using this separation, we are going to integrate them. But when the functions are multiplied together, x into sin x, now how to integrate this function? So that is how means by using the Bernoulli's equation. So now I'm going to tell you that Bernoulli's equation. What is Bernoulli's equation means? Bernoulli's equation is integration of u dv is equal to uv minus u dash v1 plus u double dash v2 plus u triple dash v3 minus plus dash dash dash. So this is called Bernoulli's equation. So here we have the terms u and dv. So what is u and what is dv? So now suppose so for example this function, in this function x sin x dx, we have to integrate this. So here what is u, what is dv? We have to define that u and dv. So for defining that we have one term called elite, A-L-I-T-E. A means algorithm, L means logarithm, I means inverse, T means trigonometry, E means E functions. Means yes, we all are known that elite. So sorry, here islet, here islet, sorry, I-L-A-T-A, I-L-A-T-E. This function, this term is used to define that u and dv. How to define u and how to define dv, we have to use this. So I means inverse, L means logarithmic, A means algorithmic, T means trigonometry functions, and E means E functions, E terms. So here in this function x is algorithmic function and sin x is trigonometric function. So in this algorithm function comes first and trigonometry function is after algorithm function we have trigonometric. So first the question x is comes first, that's why I'm taking u is equal to x, because of algorithmic function is in this term, algorithmic function is first, is there at first. So that's why the first term you have to take u and next term is dv. So dv is equal to sin x, and we have to differentiate this u and we have to integrate this dv. So we have to differentiate this u until it gets to 0. So what is u dash here? U dash is equal to x differentiation. What is the differentiation of x is 1, and u double dash. What is the differentiation of, again we have to differentiate this one. What is the differentiation of 1 is 0. Next we have here v. In this formula we have v. So what is v? V is equal to differentiation of dv. What is the dv means sin x. So differentiation of sin x is what? Sorry, integration of sin x is what? We have to integrate this dv terms. So integration of sin x is minus cos x. Next v1 is equal to integration of minus cos x. So minus comes outside and cos x integration is what? Sin x. Next v2 is equal to minus come to outside and integration of sin x minus cos x. So minus into minus plus, so v2 is equal to cos x. So we differentiate this u term double dash u times as 2 times. So this v term also differentiate 2 times. Now I get here v, u, v, u dash, v1, u double dash, v2. All the values I know. I'm just putting this all values in this equation. So here u means x, dv means sin x, dx. Integration of x sin x dx is equal to uv. U is x and v is minus cos x, minus u dash. U dash is 1 and v1 is what? Minus sin x. As u double dash is 0, this term u double dash into v2 gets 0 plus 0. Now this function becomes minus x cos x, minus into minus plus sin x. This is the answer. This is our required answer. So integration of x sin x is equal to minus x cos x plus sin x. It is the answer. So we have to differentiate in this way. So now I'm going with another example, that is integration of log x dx. So how to integrate this function? How to integrate the log? We all are known that differentiation of log x, d by dx of log x is equal to 1 by x. But what is the integration of log x? You have to find that. So I can write that log x as log x into 1 dx. I should write, I can write in this way. So integration of log x into 1. So in this islet we have one logarithmic term and one algorithmic term. So algorithmic term comes first. So here u is equal to 1. Log x. As logarithmic term is come first, I am taking that u is equal to log x and db is equal to 1. So I can take in this way. So we have to differentiate this u term and we have to integrate this dv. But whenever you are integrating this term, let's see what happen if you differentiating this term. So u dash is equal to log x differentiation is what? 1 by x. That means x inverse. So u double dash is equal to minus 1. The differentiation of x inverse is minus 1 x to the power minus 2, and u triple dash is equal to minus into minus plus 2 x to the power minus 3 u 4 is equal to minus 6 x to the power minus 4. So it goes like this way. It never becomes 0. So how to differentiate this log x? We have to find how to differentiate this log x. So we have one more Bernoulli's formula, that is integration of u dv is equal to uv minus integration of v du. We have one more formula, that is integration of u dv is equal to uv minus integration of v du. So by using this formula we can integrate this log x. So how to integrate the log x? Let's see. Here we have u is equal to log x and dv is equal to 1. So I am substituting the values of here in this formula. So u is log x and dv is 1. So dx is equal to uv. U is log x and v is differentiation integration of this one. Integration of 1 is x. So I am directly writing here log x into x minus integration of v is x and du. Du means differentiation of log x. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. So x get cancelled. this becomes log x into x minus integration of 1. What is the integration of 1 is x. So here we can take in a comma x, we get here log x minus 1. This is the integration of log x dx. In this way we can solve that integration of log x. So for the terms except logs, if you get the log, we have to go with this formula. We have to solve that question by using this formula. But if you have e terms or x sin x terms, if you see in this type of question, you have to solve by using this formula. Okay, we have two formulas for Bernoulli's equation. Okay, that's it. Thank you, friends.